Pop sensation Taylor Swift has once again proven her generosity. The star recently made a substantial donation to aid victims of the devastating Los Angeles fires. Known for her philanthropy, Taylor kept it casual yet stylish while making her public appearance in a beige knit sweater, high-waisted jeans, and signature red lipstick. Fans applauded her actions, calling her a true role model. Swift's contribution will provide relief to countless families affected by the tragedy. This isn't the first time she's lent a helping hand, showing that her heart is just as big as her chart-topping hits. Stay tuned for more updates.